In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Xbox Series S or X controller in case you're having trouble with it. Maybe it's not connecting properly, or this could fix many other troubles that you may encounter. So let's get started. First thing, you need to shut down your Xbox. It needs to be completely turned off. So I'll just press on the X here on the controller, select turn off. You can also simply hold the Xbox logo on the console if your controller is not working at all. Now let's wait just a few seconds until the console is completely turned off. The controller as well, it's now turned off. And what we need to do now, once the light is not on anymore, we need to disconnect the power cable from the console, okay, like this. And during the 5 minutes, we should not reconnect it. So set this aside, and meanwhile, take out the batteries of your controller. So take them out. And during the next 5 minutes, just leave everything the way it is. Then, after the time has passed, go ahead and put back the batteries. Could be the same batteries, maybe use some new ones in case this could have been the problem. Then plug back the power cord. And now turn on your Xbox using your controller by keeping press this logo. Here we go. The Xbox is now turned on. If it doesn't work, simply press on the button on the console. And right now the control has been reset and everything is working properly. And by the way, if you want to switch between different devices with your controller, let's say you have connected to your iPhone or iPad and it's not working on your Xbox anymore, simply double press this sync button twice. Quickly like this, and the controller will switch between your Xbox and the other device that you have connected. If you see that the light is blinking the way it is right now and it's not working on your Xbox, simply double press this button until the light becomes solid, and then it will work again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.